Gleninators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we'll be doing a toys review on this RC Stunt Car. I can't wait to check it out. Let's get started. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Alright. Good stuff. Got the car itself. That. Oh, and also say hi to Sophie for me. Alright. Car, the wrist remote, and the remote itself. Alright, let's bring it over there so we can get some good tracks in. Ooh. And the remote. Here we go. That's really cool. You can go on the road. So that was its little dance mode. So this thing has a forward and backward motion, left and right motion, and even a trolley motion like this. Left and right motion, kind of like that. Forward and backwards motion. Like this. So there's a forward and backward. Go out and right motion and a twirl. Like that. You can do any of those motions. Right. Well, this thing is really cool. It even lights up. Oh, and we haven't tried out the gestures. So let's try that out. The gesture remote. Like the little thing that control with your arm. Alright, so now I'm controlling it with the wristband. So So this car is really, really cool. I give this like a 10 out of 10. I'd recommend you buy this. It's even like wrist control, so that makes it even more cool. I give this a 10 out of 10. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!